Hello everyone, the Pyramid Production House is back again, but this time the Pyramid Production House came up with a different concept that is called Beyond the Voice. Beyond the Voice is a singing competition solely based on one's individuality, on the artistic skills of their singing, composing and tuning. For these competitions, the organizing board, that is the Pyramid Production House, appointed 3 renowned judges. For the first, we have Aminga Rangzil. Aminga Rangzil, he is the owner of the excavation studio, a sound engineer, and he is also the director of the very competition called Beyond the Voice. For the second judge, we have Abhijit Dhar. He is a runner-up in the Hill Youth Icon Singing Festival. He is a playback singer, and most importantly, he is one of the finalists in Assam Idol. For the third, last but not the least, we have Ankita Mither Pangsha. She is a student in Hindustani classical music and also bagged the title called The Classical Voice of Guwahati in 2013. She also runs her own school at Haflong called Sharada Sangeet Vidyapith. So those are your judges who will be judging you for this throughout this entire competition. The stakes are going to get high, the price is also high, and trust me, every week we are going to go down to the wire. The competition is not going to be easy, it's going to get tougher and tougher in every week. We have 4 rounds of the competitions. Top 20 will be of the judges' choice round. The top 15 will be the Christmas special round. The top 10 will be the survival of the fittest round. And the top 5 will be the final round. To all the competitors, the organizers wish you all the very best for this very competition and thank you all for participating here. At the end of the day, we know we don't want to eliminate any one of you, but this is a competition where there can be only one winner. This is me, Jasaina Ngaite, the host of the singing competition called Beyond the Voice. And if you guys have any doubts, please contact the numbers given below, the email given below. We will be very happy to clear all your doubts. Thank you so much.